Hello everyone, this is Rizwan Iqbal. So in this video, I will show you how to use app icon on your project of React. So first of all, uh, we have multiple icons, but I will use this Rizwan.png image. So for this, search Android app icon for Android, generate app icon for Android. So here many websites. I'm using this image Rizwan.png and open this. Here I can set padding. Here you can set the padding. It is perfect for my logo. So just download Android and iOS for both. I'm downloading. Now I'm opening the folders for Android and iOS. First of all, I'm using Android, so here map ATPI. So I'm using bitmap ATPI, bitmap. ATPI. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see. Now moving to our folder, Android app, source main res and paste it. Replace all folders. Check me. Everything is perfect. Now time to restart our Android app. Okay, I'm on Android. I have no issue occur at this time. After install debug, I will show you the app icon. So now you can see the app logo for this project library.